Hello folks and welcome back. I hope all of you are doing well. Today I wanted to share a little experience with you. If you have to enter a number as text in Excel, why would you need to convert a number as a text in Excel? As you can see on your screen, I have to add some leading zeros before a text. So for example, if I try doing this and I do this, the zeros vanished because Excel does not treat any zeros before you start adding your numbers. So how to get rid of this? Simply on your keyboard there's an apostrophe sign. Enter apostrophe as you can see on the screen and then start entering whatever you want. It will take it as a text. Similarly, if you want to show somebody, for example, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, it will show us the result. But I want to show the formula. So simple again, the same way. You put an apostrophe 2 plus 1 and it will show you the formula here. Same way you can use these apostrophes to import and export CSV files. It's very useful over there. Any text-based specific analysis you have to do, this is quite useful for that particular technique. So I hope you enjoyed it, practice it, and do share your comments in the comment section. I look forward to speak to you again. Till the time, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Ciao, ciao.